Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about how to insert pictures and tables in MsWord. So let's get started. After opening the MsWord, select the insert menu. There you can find many elements that can be inserted into the document. Let me explain those elements one by one. The first one was inserting tables in a document. In the insert menu, select the table option and then click on insert table. Now the insert menu dialog box appears. In that, mention the number of columns and rows and also the width of the columns as per your wish and then give OK. Now the table is get inserted. You can also insert the table by using the grids for a quick accessible one. The next one was inserting pictures. Select the picture option in insert menu. You can insert the picture either on your device or by online. To insert from device, give this device and select the picture you need to insert and give OK. To insert pictures from online, give online pictures. And now your internet browser is get opened. In that you can search for the pictures and select it to insert in document. And for this you want to have an internet connection in your system. The next one was inserting shapes. Click on the shapes option in insert menu and select any shapes you wish and just draw it on the document by using the mouse. And that's all. Your shape is get inserted in the document. And the last one was inserting charts and smartarts. Charts and smartarts are used to convey the messages easily to the viewers. To insert a chart, select the chart option in insert menu. Now a new dialog box appear. In the various categorization of charts, you can select your desired chart and then give OK. The same way is used for inserting smartart also by selecting the smartart option in insert menu. So that's all about inserting an element into a document. I hope you have understand it. If you want to tell any feedback, please tell it in the comment section. And if you like the video, please give a like and subscribe the channel for more learning and quiz videos. So thank you. Bye bye.